Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Arif, and today we will talk about 3D printing, and we will learn how it's transforming manufacturing and design. So, we are gonna read about it. Stay with us. We have a research paper related to this topic, and we are gonna read about it. And in the end, I will tell you the references from which this research papers has conclusion. So let's give it a read. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is revolutionizing traditional manufacturing processes by enabling the creation of complex objects layer by layer. This paper explores the benefits of 3D printing, current applications, and technological advancements, challenges facing its widespread adoption. 3D printing technology has emerged as a disruptive force in manufacturing, offering new possibilities for product design, customization, and production. This paper discusses the importance of 3D printing in transforming the manufacturing landscape and unlocking creativity in design and fabrication. Benefits of 3D printing: 3D printing offers several advantages over traditional manufacturing methods, including rapid prototyping, on demand production, and design flexibility. By eliminating the need for molds and tooling, 3D printing reduces lead times and costs associated with traditional manufacturing processes, making it ideal for small scale production and customization. Current applications of 3D printing. 3D printing is used across various industries, including aerospace, automotive, healthcare, and consumer goods. In aerospace, automotive industries, 3D printing enables the production of lightweight, complex components with reduced material weights. In healthcare, 3D printing is used to create patient specific implants, prosthetics, and surgical guides, improving patient outcomes and reducing surgical time. Technological advancements in 3D printing. Technological innovations in materials printers and software have expanded the capabilities of 3D printing, enabling the fabrication of larger, more intricate objects with higher resolution and accuracy. Advances in materials science have led to development of new materials such as biocompatible polymers, metal alloys, and composite materials, expanding the ranges and application of 3D printing. Challenges and barriers to adoption. Despite its potential, 3D printing faces challenges such as limited material properties, slow production speeds, and high equipment cost. Addressing these challenges require advancements in material science, printer technology, and post processing techniques to improve print quality, speed, and reliability. Regulatory and intellectual property considerations. Regulatory considerations such as quality control standards and intellectual property protection are important factors in the adoption of 3D printing technology. Ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and protecting intellectual property rights are essential for fostering trust in 3D printed products and encouraging investments in technology. 3D printing is transforming and manufacturing designs, products, and offering new possibilities for innovations, customization, and sustainability. Continued investment in research, development, and education is essential for unlocking the potential of 3D printing and realizing its benefit across various industries. The references for this research papers were Gibson, Rosen, DW, and Stucker B. Additive manufacturing technologies, 3D printing, rapid prototyping, and direct digital manufacturing, spingers, Campbell TA Ivanova, OS 2018, 3D printing of multifunctional monocomposites. So I think that was all for today's video. Until we meet in the next video.